Lentils don't have to feel heavy. Today we're making a lighter, spring-style lentil stew that's herb-forward and full of flavor. You'll need green lentils, diced carrots, celery, garlic, vegetable broth, fresh thyme, a bay leaf, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and fresh parsley. This one is about clean layers of flavor. Start with olive oil, diced carrots, and celery. Let them soften and release their flavor. Vegetables look softened and slightly glossy, not browned. Add minced garlic and stir briefly to bring out that aroma and let it blend with the carrots and celery to build the flavor base. Now add your rinsed lentils right into the pot, layering them over the vegetables before stirring. Pour in the vegetable broth and add thyme and a bay leaf. Let everything simmer gently. Once the lentils are tender, stir in fresh parsley for a clean finish. This is how you make lentils feel fresh. If you'd like a few simple recipes to keep on hand, I've put together a free download at yuminasnap.com. It's an easy way to cook without overthinking. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.